If you were using personality assessments or any kind of personality test in the workplace, it can be used as a tool for personal development and also professional development. If you've come to understand that there's different ways I could behave regardless of what my natural tendencies are, and you know the different decision points about using urgency in communication or asking more questions, all of those can help to increase the collaboration that teammates feel. But when you are operating in little pivots, you take a little extra energy and you behave differently because that's what your teammate needs, or because you are giving critical feedback and that's what the situation needs, that is called personal development and self-management. And that is really the best possible outcome for your personality assessments. You can manage your behaviors, your expectations, and even your actions with your team so that that situation is the most positive, fruitful, forward-moving situation that you could have for that. Treating your teammates how they want to be treated can be a faster road to success. Personality assessments can be a tool for understanding all of your possible options so that you can make the best choices available to you to get the best outcomes that you are excited about having.